Here we come to the elevator at the Advanced Manufacturing Building at Pima Community College in Tucson, Arizona. We have a Schindler 3300 MRL. Let's start by going up. Very nice cab. This is pretty recent. It's a very nice cab. We'll go up to 3. Instant door close. Ring the bell. Well, we'll have to well, it's not going to ring, so let's go down to 1. Door close button works. Capacity 3,500 pounds. ADA compliant phone. Schindler 3300 MRL. Oh, that's where the inspection certificate would go. This is the new ADA compliant phone. We are stopping on 2. Going up? Going up, what floor? 3 or 2?
Was 3.
3.
Yep.
Have a good day, Matt, sir. This is an awesome elevator. This is very recent. I think this was installed in 2021, actually, if I recall correctly. Again, I really like this cab. Schindler 3300s are awesome. Let's watch the leveling. Anyways, here it goes. And that's it.